Hello guys, Jail here from Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fund your account with Trading 212. So in this video, I will show you how to top it up. It's pretty simple, but first you will have to have your Trading 212 app. So it can be in your Android, in your iPhones, or you can use your desktop, so it doesn't matter. So in the top left corner, you will have the 212 account status. So here in the invest, you'll have your account value and you want to deposit funds. But if you want to deposit funds, of course, you have to set up your account, verify your identity, and all of those. So what this means is you'll have to place in your name, email, date of birth, and your verification from your home status of your country. So you'll need the government ID for that, and then you will need your tax ID, of course. And then you'll have to add funds. So the first thing to do when you add funds is this. So here, you'll have to press deposit funds. And then after you press deposit funds, as you can see here in my iPhone, is that you will have to do a bank transfer, card, or you can do Apple Pay. So then you'll have to select the amount that you want to deposit into your account in Trading 212. So you can select from 25 to 4,000 pounds and depends on you. And then once you've done that, you'll just have to be redirected to your bank or your card or Apple Pay, wherever you choose, and it will confirm that you have paid and it will be right in your account. Just simple as that. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.